This is Odin's Wolf Survival in the sunlit subterranean caverns of Wolfhaven. Today I have the old timer 240T Splinter carving blade or knife. It's got 6 different blades, bone handles or jig bone handles is what they call them. I'm not sure if they're actual there or not. Nickel silver fittings, German silver, everything but silver in it. But they look pretty. Now, I got this out of the box. I'll reserve my opinions for later. But I realized it was a $23 item, $24 item, but even still. This thing had 3 of the 6 blades were dull, very. All of them had burrs. Some rather severe. Some had nicks. It's not anything that I would associate with an old timer. I can remember my grandfather carrying old timers. I carried one when I was young. They were pretty fair blades for their price at the time. This is something else. When I got it in, as you can see, both the handles were cracked because of a poor set on the rivet that goes through. So it cracked both bone handles. The fitting through there, as you can see, is rather rough on all of it. They weren't, I don't think they were polished in place. Doesn't feel like it, because that would usually bring it down to about the same. Okay, this blade had some nasty, nasty burrs on it, and I took it off with one of my stones. And the edge is okay, but it isn't anything I would consider great. This one has nicks, as you can see, and burrs. Let's see. That one isn't even really that sharp, and the grind angle is terrible. I mean, just terrible. It's going to take me a while to work that out, even if I decide to, on a stone. The gouge, it has no functional edge, none. Matter of fact, as you get in there, I think you can probably see the flat on it. They didn't even bring, and the grind angle, and that's horrible. They didn't even bring it down to where it has any sort of an edge. The small spoon gouge, it's actually got kind of a functional edge on it, but if you run your fingers over it, you can feel the burrs. They're really, really not good. And this one probably, out of the box, the big gouge, or the big spoon, was probably the sharpest blade on the whole thing. And even then, you can see where it's not nice there. All the way across you can see little chips and gouges, and I mean, you can feel it if you run your nail over it. It's like it was sharpened on a 80 grit belt, and that's where it was left. You know, it's not a nice thing. It's not a bad feeling knife in your hand, but the feel of it doesn't make it cut better. It just makes it easier to handle. But we'll see how this goes. This is pine, which should be easy to cut. Okay, that one's not bad, but I took all the burrs off, so it cuts. And I've heard complaints about how long it'll hold an edge. That I'm not sure. Not sure I really want to find out. I'm not real impressed with this. Kind of made me mad I spent 24 bucks on it. Okay, let's try this one. This is what they call the chisel, and this has no locks, which I'm not really all that enamored with. Okay, that one cuts. It would benefit from taking it over a stone to get all the burrs off, which I haven't done to these blades. And I can feel the burrs. I can see the burrs. If I take it over a ceramic stone or something, that would probably help it a lot. But this one does cut. I'll give it that. I would prefer that it had a lock on it. Now this one, oh crap. It just barely, if you're cutting it straight down, it'll get in it a little bit. But man, you have to work. I'm not impressed with that at all. It's not hardly even wanting to bite. I'm pushing way too hard to get it to go in. And this is just pine. So that's better than I was expecting, but it's still not good by any way, shape, or form. The gouge, I'm holding these up to where I don't want them snapping, you know. I can't even get it to, you can see, it's just pushing it's pushing this dull little way in as I'm forcing it. Now I'd end up breaking the tool before that actually cut. That's going to take quite a bit of time on a stone. I'll probably have to take it to the diamond stone. Let's see, where's the... I keep ripping my nails off so I don't have much nails. There we go. These I expect to cut about the best. Okay. That's not bad. Be better if the burrs were all knocked off and the edges were polished out. Again, like I said, I'm not for sure how these hold an edge. I can already feel it dulling out. There. Yeah, it just kind of rolled that edge up even more a little bit. Let's see. And this one, the large. It does want to cut to a degree, but again, the burrs and stuff really inhibit it. I'd polish those up if I could. I didn't want to on the deal. I wanted it right out of the box. I'm not that impressed. The old timers, like my grandfather had and we had when we were young, which has been, well, we hauled the ore in to make them off a dinosaur back, if that tells anything. It's been quite some time ago, and I'm sure that company's been sold multiple times. So, but they held an edge. They were actually good steel, as I can just tell by the way this is rolling over. It isn't very good, or the tempering on it is way off. But they held an edge quite well. They were for an inexpensive knife. They were quite a good knife, and they would take an edge that was unbelievably nasty. Sadly, that legacy seems to be gone. You know, it's kick them out as cheap as you can, as fast as you can. Put a bunch of stuff on it to impress the people that don't actually use them. This, take your 24 bucks, stash it, add some more to it, go buy something better. I'm not impressed. I would not recommend this in any way, shape, or form. I'm rather disappointed. That being said, things are what they are. You get what you pay for. I have a flex cut that I rather like. It holds an edge, and very rarely do you have to touch it up. I don't have an issue with it. It has locks on it. You know, it's not as comfortable as some, but it's better. So, there it is. This is Odin's Wolf Survival with the old timer, which kind of made me sad that I actually bought it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. hit that subscribe button like you're trying to beat up an old timer with it. And have a glorious day.